71.
No, sí, buenos días. Mire, está ahí, aquí el 36 en el número 3, ese muchacho ya han venido a llevárselo y todo, pero ahorita anda peor porque está ahorcando a la mamá allá afuera y ya anda un cuchillo en la mano. Ajá.
Okay. ¿Cuál es la dirección?
36 Keystone. A él se lo llevan porque lo internan porque puede matar a su mamá y ahí hay una niña.
¿Y está en el apartamento?
Sí, está en el apartamento y acaba de salir ahí a la calle y yo le digo a la
¿Ahorita dónde
señora,
está él?
en la casa de él. Ahí está la
¿Es
mamá.
el hijo de su vecina?
Sí, el hijo de la vecina.
¿Y él está dentro del apartamento con ella?
Se la llevó, la agarró el pescuezo y se la llevó para adentro y
Okay,
dijo,
un momento, voy a hablar con, un momento, no me cuelgue, voy a hablar con los oficiales, ¿ok? Un momento. 36 Keystone, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Okay, un momento.
Apartamento.
Sí, un momento. Ajá.
Ahorita no está bien, métete adentro. No, ahorita, no va a costar ahorita. No, ahorita, no, ahorita, que le abra la boca. Ahorita lo va a costar, ¿ok? Ya lo corté. No estoy en fuego. No estoy muy mal ahorita. Dice, no, cállate la boca.
I can see in the window. They're standing right next to each other.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
Oh, you can see him?
Yep.
Okay, what do you got?
I got one guy to the left. He's just kind of like casually, looks like he's talking to the female.
Go back inside.
And our male, he's just kind of standing in the middle of the living room there, kind of facing her. He's not, I can't see if he has anything in his hands from my vantage. He just put his hands up, so one hand is clear.
If you got him, can you maybe try to get more from over there?
Carlos! Come outside! It's the LAPD! Come outside!
We're not gonna hurt you, just want to talk.
You're not in trouble, man! Oh shit. Okay, we gotta kick that door in, guys. He said he's gonna. He said
Does he have a knife though?
not from my vantage point.
Carlos, just come outside.
He said he's gonna cut her. He said he's gonna cut her up.
Okay.
She's trying to calm him down. It looks like, but he's 2 feet away from her. He's 2 feet away from her.
Yeah.
He's not making any motions towards her right now. All he's doing is just kind of looks like he's talking.
Give me a back up here. Have you with your children?
Hey Carlos, look here, man. We're gonna bust the door open if you don't come in. Come outside. All right, he's moving towards the window. He's moving towards the window. I lost visual.
There you go, 11. Work code 6. Welcome back up.
Yeah. Carlos, we're gonna bust it open if you don't come out. Just come outside, Carlos.
We'll be 1, 2, 3. You'll be 4.
We're gonna kick the door open if you don't.
He comes out with a knife.
1413, 1425, responding to entry tools.
If we have to backpedal at all, we have a ledge right here. We're gonna have to shoot.
Carlos.
Go with the hand on the door.
Oh shit.
Lean
Okay.
against it.
Okay. He has. Oh shit. All right. Fuck. He has her in a headlock. He has her in a headlock. He has her in a headlock. He has her in a headlock.
Okay.
He has a knife in his hand. He has a knife in his hand. Get open the door. 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 Oh shit.
Door's open. Door's open. Whoa.
Get him. Get him.
4945. Shots fired. Shots fired. Officer needs help.
Okay. He has. Oh shit.
What?
Fuck.
What?
He has her in a headlock. He has her in a headlock.
Okay, hold on. Gun down. Gun down. What? Boot it. Can you boot it?
Yeah.
Boot it. Boot the door.
Knife to the feet.
Open the door. Open it.
Boot the door.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
Open the door.
Door's open. Door's open.
Roll over. Fuck. You got him? You got him? You got him? Yep. He was stabbing her. Good. You got his arm? Yeah. Okay. Okay, you got him. You got him. Okay.